M0FXB Hamtech UV-21 Pro. Let's take a look at it. We've got a couple of other Baofengs that are very similar to this in the background. UV-17, UV-18 and UV-21, that one there. That one could be UV-10. Yeah, they all look very similar. This one does have a different design. I've been looking. The button design is different, so we're just very quickly taking out the box. Get the usual instructions there and radio, charger, etc. Instruction manual 21. I think these are like quad band. What they advertise, they're actually advertised as tri-band radios, and they say that they do 220 megs, but they don't do airband. I would say that the 18 definitely does do airband. This one here. So it's a budget radio. It was only about £19 delivered, so it's a budget radio. I know everyone's getting the Croshangs now, which is fair enough. You know, they very low price. But what I find with these budget Baofengs, you actually get quite a lot for your money. There's a lot of hardware, the cases, etc. There's a lot there to hold basically. I mean, it does do 220 megs. I don't know how busy that is in the USA, but it does say that it does it. It's got the obligatory torch on top, big LED there. On the side, usual twin pin, and you can program with chirp, PTT, function buttons. Just turn it on. It does come with a belt clip, which is a nice chunky one, just 2 screws and it's on, and your strap as well. This one's got firmware 0.1. We'll set the backlight so it stays on a bit longer. I think it's menu 6. Menu 6, your menu, and then go, see if it, yeah, it does allow on, so go to on, click confirm with that, and yes, the radio does talk to you. And to exit the menu, do we just press, yeah, here it says return and OK, so, and there's a timeout as well. Looks like we're in memory mode at the moment. It says here VFO and memory,
channel mode,
A and B. Arrow goes up and down. Let's go to A, go to VFO,
mode,
and we'll type in my node.
4 5 5 0.
So, you know, so I have to use the micro node, and it's been a blessing since Peter made it for me. It's been an absolute blessing, Paul, over. Yeah, okay, Darren. Well, nice to work you again. I'd see some screens to you. I don't know what you're getting at.
Let's go and put it back into VFO here.
Frequency mode 1
Put in my
4
repeater.
5 6 0 0.
So we're not hearing, so that I bet you there'll be a dual watch setting. Let's find that in the menu. Dual watch. There are shortcuts to the menus. Look, it's written on the key. So you've got step, TX power. So if you go F,
Menu,
TX power, it takes you straight to the power. So it looks like if you go menu 7,
menu,
TDR stands for dual receive. Then you just turn it on, confirm.
dual standby.
If we just go through the menus, you'll see that everything's there to set your repeater tones, CT, CSS and repeater shift. So we just go up, we'll confirm the on, so it's dual receive.
Confirm.
Then we go with the up arrow and down arrow to the number 1, and we'll work quickly through. So number 1 is step. Going upwards, we've got the power. It's a 5-watt radio. Well, you know, you never know with these, do you? It's probably advertised as 10, but it's a 5-watt radio. Vox, wide and narrow band. Number 6, ABR. I think that's the screen timeout. ABR is the screen timeout.
Menu,
Beep prompt, timeout for speaking, so we could increase that. So you press menu,
transmit over time.
go a bit higher. We'll go to 180 seconds.
Confirm.
Okay. CTCSS, let's turn that on. We'll go up, CTCSS will go down. Let's press, do we have to press?
CTCSS.
Press the green and then you select the one you want. We'll do 94.8. Confirm. Just so you see, there's a USB charging cable and a charging dock supplied with this. So, and it does do DTMF. You just push the PTT and type DTMF. DCS code, transmit code. Actually, that's the one we wanted, not receive. So you go.
CTCSS.
Don't tend to do it on receive. 94.8. If you do, it just means you don't hear all the noise.
Confirm.
Okay. Keep going through. Scan. You can scan CTCSS. You just turn it on. It starts to scan. And DCS. The talking. English and Japanese. DTMF could be memories. Don't know what S code is. You've got SC reverse. No idea. PTT ID. MDFA. Oh, this is when you're adding memories. I'll do a separate video adding memories and memory names. That's a busy lockout. So if someone's talking, it won't transmit. Auto lock to save the battery power. Sensible. Shift direction, that will be important.
Frequency direction.
Press the green. Choose minus for a 2 meter repeater. Select.
Confirm.
Offset, that's again important. Press the green.
Offset frequency.
And then you want 0, 0, 0,
0,
6.
6, 0, 0.
For a 2 meter.
Confirm.
Confirm with green. And we can save it to a memory channel as well. Look, we'll leave it where it is.
Memory channel. Transmitting memory. Memory channel. Transmitting memory.
Yeah, so I would guess that the channel that is on the screen has now been put into that memory. Delete channel memories. All mod. Send sound. STE. So a few bits there that I've just taken this out of the box. Roger beep, that's an obvious one. Tone burst is there. The menu exit time, that could do with being a bit longer. Let's see if we can get a bit longer. I'd say 15 is about right.
Confirm.
So that's how long is when you go into menu, how long it just reverts back to the radio. Power on logo or voltage. There you are, you can change that. We'll have a go at this with chirp actually. It's got a stopwatch, okay, that's cool. And there's the firmware. So what I would say after tinkering with this device is that it's very similar to this generation of radios, which is UV-17, UV-10, those kind of designs. Different case design, and if you look at the front, you've got two buttons, where on these it'll be hold the buttons. They've added 2 buttons to do pretty much the same functions. You even look on the numbers, look. 1 is step, 2 is TX power, and then DTMF. I'll just show you. If you press the PTT and start typing, it should, I know I have known these be silent before when they do DTMF. But they do DTMF. Battery wise, there is a screw which is not turned all the way. It does come with a screwdriver, so let's just whip that off so we can see what power is, what the battery is. I know there's a rubber on the screw, so they are trying to waterproof it.
Welcome. Frequency mode.
So once you've got the screw off, this is the battery. Just looking, as it say it on there. My eyesight's rubbish. It says the model. 8.4 volts. I can't really see a charge capacity there. Let's see what the radio says that it does. That's always interesting. So it says UV-21 Pro and then version 2. So, yeah, so not a lot there, but it's a good look at it. It's made of aluminium. I don't know how they make these at such low prices, but they do. And Lucky us. So we'll end it there. We'll do some more detailed videos, but overall I do like the design. Yeah, it's interesting they've gone with a longer screen rather than a wider screen. If you look, it's longer, where this one is almost like they've turned it round. But it, you know, it is a nice chunky design. It looks the part, I think. Nice solid button on there. Just press some of these side buttons. That's changing the power. That's your torch, usual torch,
On.
and broadcast radio.
Off.
I don't think it will do airbag because it's not listed. If we go to 1, 2, 6.
6. 0. Cancel.
No, let's try
1,
marine. 1, 5,
5,
6.
6. 0. 0.
Well, that's
0.
interesting. You'll get a marine band, which marine band can be quite interesting. Around 156 to 16 something. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I give it a thumbs up because, you know, £17, £18 delivered and you get all this. Bye for now, 7-3.